the piece of this letter I today. I. Yesterday is H. Today we make the I. Okay, here. Hi, Mary Lucia. Hello. Hello, Roslyn. Happy to see you. Today we are going to make the letter I. Okay, first we're going to fold the loop of the, we're going to fold it like this. Okay, then we're going to bend a little bit. Then we're going to fold it to the back. And tight it. Okay, then let's fold it down here. Okay, here, tight. And here we are going to make a letter I. And here we go, fold it to the left side. Then put your plier at this part. Then fold it to the right side. So it's come this here. Okay. So hi, Elegant. I leave you message. Please check Elegant. Okay. So this is the letter I. And about the little I, we can do it here. This way. Little I, we're going to fold it to the back. Here. Fold it to the back. Okay, here. So this is the I, little I that we made. Yeah, it's the little I that we made. The big I, little I that we done. This is one of the way. Yeah. Hi, Bianca. Thank you so much for your like. Thank you. Yeah. So this is the way how to make an I. And the next one we're going to try another way how to make the I. We will have two different ways make the eyes. Okay, cut here. This time the eye we are going to make is like this. Here we go to fold a loop. Here, fold a loop this way. Okay, and then we're going to bend the wire to the to bend the directory. Tight. Here, like this. Like this way. Here. Okay. And so here is hello Yanni. Hi, happy to see you, my friends. Happy to see you. It's like this, and then we're going to fold it here. Fold it a little bit. And actually it's the very similar way. Just the shape a little bit different. Okay, then it's here like this. This is the eye, like here. And if we are going to make then I just cut it so that you can understand. Yeah, this is the eye, this one. the I, and then if we make the little I is like this, it's the seam. We go fold to the behind. This will be more nice when we wrap it together with the other letter here. This one. Okay, another little I, and go to shoe. This is the same as the first one. Then we see the other here. I make her one more time. Fold it here, and fold it this way. Okay, then bend and bend here the eye, and then we go another eye. It's this way, and fold it here. Hello Magnolia, happy to see you. Happy to see you, my friends. Okay, here. Fold it like this. And we're going to make a piece of this little circle. Bend it to the front. Okay. So the little eye, big eye and the little eye. Someone they make the eye like this. A small circle, then repeat the two eye together. So someone they make the little eye in this way. And someone they make the little eye this way. Some is this way, some is this way. Both the two way. I like this way better. Easy. And this way make the little circle. Okay. So it's here. Okay. It's understand that to make the I, H-I. Tomorrow will be J and a K. Okay. So I here. Yesterday we made the H. Yesterday we make H, and today we made I. Got it. Yeah. So big and little I. Okay, we done for the tutorial of the letter I. This one. I love LOVEMIDE